to the grand reopening of the High Tower Ride. Higher, faster, and more frightening.
Welcome. Enjoy your ride.
Hey sis, why aren't you on the ride with your friends? Too scary for you? Maybe she's afraid she'll get so scared her hair will turn white.
I'm helping Matthew fine-tune the height scanner. And by the way, there's no scientific proof that fear can turn hair white.
Yeah, well, science is everything. Let's just get on the ride.
I'm sorry. I'm afraid you can't do that.
Hold it. Sorry, guys. The scanner says you're too short.
No way! Too short? We've been on this ride lots of times.
Matthew's right. It's bigger and scarier. New improved ride, new improved rules.
It's just not fair. I think my sister...
What was that?
She's just...
Hi guys, good morning and good evening everyone. It's me, Freaky Evs. So today it's a Saturday morning. It's 10 a.m. So after I take my breakfast, drink my coffee here, I'm starting cleaning up and removing all the Christmas stuff. So today is January 3, so obviously tapos na yung Three Kings sa Pilipinas. So yeah, time to cleaning and putting back the Christmas stuff. So next year iiba na naman tayo ng mga Christmas decor. So ayun, so today is the busiest day for me because I got a lot of sleep now. Nakabawi na ako ng tulog. So for today's vlog, more on cleaning and cleaning stuff. Okay guys, okay, see you on my next vlog. I love you all. Mwah.